Welcome back to Moneymation, the YouTube channel where we discuss all things money, from business ideas, side hustles, and even ways to make money on YouTube. So recently I've been seeing a lot of people wondering, how exactly can I make money online in today's day and age? It seems like everyone is doing it except for you, right? Well, I'm going to give you a basic way to start, which isn't going to require your money or any additional upfront investment. Not many people seem to be familiar with this side hustle, which is perfect for you because it means there may not be a lot of competition. And the best part is you only need a phone to start. Now, before we start, it would really mean a lot if you gave this video a like and subscribe to the channel to help us grow as a community. Okay, so as you've seen by the title of this video, we'll be going over how to actually start, run, and eventually make money from an Instagram-themed page. Instagram theme pages. I know, you've probably never heard someone say they've been making money from it, but here's the thing. There are people out there making up to $10,000 a month by just posting on Instagram without showing their face or using their voice. That's how simple it is. So let me show you how to do it too. Firstly, we need to understand what Instagram theme pages are. Instagram theme pages are simply pages that concentrate on a particular niche. For example, travel, fashion, food, fitness, or maybe lifestyle. These are all examples of content that can be used to create an Instagram theme page. Now, what you'll find on these pages are photos or videos relating to that specific topic. But most importantly, the aesthetic and style in their content remains consistent. This is very important when creating your theme page. You have to have a consistent style and look on your page in order to establish an identity. So how exactly would you go about doing that? Well, before we even get into that, we'll first have to identify our niche and what type of content we want to use on our page. Let's go through some niches and help you identify which one sticks with you the most so that you can move on to the next part. Now, the niche you decide to go with is very important because it can determine how much money you make and how quickly you will grow. So you should look to target a niche that is highly profitable and easy to monetize. Instagram has over 1 billion monthly active users, making it the second most potent channel for digital marketing and monetization. So which niche would be the most appealing for the Instagram algorithm and allow you to attract traffic? Travel, lifestyle, and nature. I'm sure you've seen those Instagram pages that post content of beautiful places from around the world. From stunning luxury houses to the calm ocean or maybe a cozy-looking house near the beach. All these pages follow the same trend, which is posting and sharing to their viewers some of the most eye-catching pictures to set the mood. This is easily one of the most popular niches because your target audience isn't super specific. You don't have to cater to a minority of people. Everyone can enjoy this form of content. Young, old, it doesn't really matter. So if you're looking to start an Instagram theme page for the first time, then this may be the perfect niche for you. Fashion and beauty. We all know how popular this niche is. From makeup to skincare, this niche has and always will be amongst, if not the most popular niche among all. It's super easy to market because of how large the audience is. Often there's high demand and limited supply. By focusing on this niche, you can build a strong brand identity, attract a loyal customer base, and stand out in the Instagram algorithm. Fitness and wellness. This is a great niche to explore and get started with if you're an active person. This niche promotes physical health, nutrition, and a healthy lifestyle. Anything from going to the gym regularly to starting a diet and eating healthier foods are examples of topics that can be included in this niche. It's a pretty straightforward niche and really easy to market if done correctly. Entertainment. This is a really fun niche to dive deep into because there's so much involved within it. Like, the opportunities are almost endless. You could offer music, news, movie and TV show reviews, video game news, basically everything involving entertainment. This is one of my favorite niches because of how broad it is. You like video games? This is for you. You like movies and television? Guess what? This niche is also for you. I'd really recommend you go with this niche if your hobby is in the entertainment industry, and if it isn't, then that's fine, because this is also a great niche for some beginners. There's loads of content to post and also attracts a large audience of people, which is initially what we want. Memes and humor. This is honestly one of, if not the most fun niche to dive into. Why exactly? Well, because not only is it one of the easiest niches to get into, but it also offers a wide range of options when it comes to what type of content you post. This niche specializes in producing humorous content, as well as creating funny and relatable memes you see all over the internet. This can easily make you a lot of money because of how common and popular memes tend to be these days. I mean, think about it. How often do you see memes whenever you're scrolling through Instagram? Whether it's memes on sports, music, movies, you just can't escape them. This is perfect for us and it's exactly what we want: high traffic and easy to produce content. Okay, so now that we've established the different types of niches and which one may work best for you, we can now move on to the next step, which is actually creating an Instagram theme page. Now, I know it may seem pretty challenging, but trust me, creating an Instagram theme page is super easy and just requires a few simple tricks to ensure that the people who see your content will like it and make sure the algorithm pushes it further. When you're creating your theme page, you want to focus on 3 main points which will help your account grow at a steady rate. Creating and establishing a visually appealing brand identity, attracting more followers, and finally, improving interaction. Taking these 3 points into consideration, let's go through step by step how to create an Instagram theme page. The first step is simply choosing a theme. We already went over the different niches earlier, so this should be pretty straightforward. Once you've decided, you can now begin by creating your Instagram account, but pay close attention. You see, when creating your account, you must choose a username related to your niche that symbolizes it. You don't want to do too much when thinking of a name. Make it simple and easy to remember. You're making an Instagram account, so of course you need a bio. My best advice is to create a self-explanatory bio, for example. If you choose a motivation niche, you can simply say, "Daily motivation to keep you inspired." Choose a unique profile picture and, most importantly, make sure your account is not private. With that out of the way, we can now focus on the content. The content you post should have a consistent style and look to it. Maybe use the same colors or unique font for your posts. Not only will this help you find what type of content you should be posting, but it will also give you a better understanding of the algorithm and what type of content tends to perform well. But in order for people to even see your content, they would have to find it, which is why you need to use relevant keywords. If you want to find popular Instagram hashtags, use Flick, which is an excellent tool for growing your Instagram theme pages. But the most important part about your content is posting consistently and engaging with your followers. You did it! You've decided what niche you want to go with, you've created your account, and you've got your content. But there's still one thing missing that's stopping you from making money, and that's monetizing your Instagram theme page. You have to think of Instagram theme pages as a business, a digital business which can be treated as a side hustle and grow into a large-scale form of income. In fact, there are people out there who make more money from their pages than people who work all day, with some fitness pages making more money than actual personal trainers. So it's still a very lucrative and undervalued way of making money. So there are only 3 steps to follow when monetizing your page: creating a fan base, making it a source of income, and after that, finally making it passive. When creating a fan base, there's 2 options you can go with. You can either buy an Instagram theme page and start earning, or you can start from scratch and build your own one. Regardless of which option you choose, you'll still want to ensure your account audience grows. Now, in order to do that, you should engage with other content creators in your niche by commenting on their posts and collaborating with them. With your new account, you should not engage in follow or unfollow trends, as this can lead to a shadow ban or even termination of your account. Now, it's time to finally start earning. There are many ways to make money from your theme page, so let's go over a few and see which one works best for you. Selling shoutouts. This method is very common among some of the most popular Instagram theme pages, as it allows everyone involved to benefit. Let's go through an example to help you understand exactly how it works. Let's say you have a fashion account with about 20,000 followers, and a person, we'll call them Peter, wants you to shout out their clothing business. Peter will have to pay you, let's say, about $150 to promote his account and drive interaction and customers to it while you advertise it. This will allow Peter to find customers, and you will gain an easy $150 without having to even leave your house. That's how easy it is, and it's exactly why so many Instagram accounts have been doing it. Let's move on to the next method, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply the strategy for earning a commission by advertising products or services of another brand. What you simply do is head over to a website like ClickBank and look for things in your niche that your audience would want. Then advertise those products and earn a commission every time someone purchases a product using your link. As time goes on, you'll start to gain more and more followers, and what started as just a side hustle will now be a full-on business which will make you money passively. So there you have it, the perfect side hustle for you to start today. No money needed, and the risk involved is very low. Just make sure that when you do start that, you're consistent, creative, dedicated, and passionate about the niche you want to do. If you found this video to be helpful and want to see more content regarding making money online, then be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It would really mean a lot as we are trying to grow as a community. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.